Hello students, myself Deepak Zade. Today in this lecture we will solve problem of general force system. See what is given in problem, how many forces are given, horizontal, vertical, 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 one inclined. Three vertical forces, one horizontal, one inclined. Inclined force is only one. That means solving problem is easy. This angle will get how much? So for this one what information is given, each block is a square having 1 meter dimension, means 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 4 meter हो गए, 1 1 1 1, this one is 4 meter by 4 meter, right? Overall size of board is what? 4 meter by 4 meter. Determine magnitude direction of the resultant of the given coplanar force system as shown in figure. अभी magnitude and direction is asked in problem. Whenever resultant you have to find out, always there are three important points: magnitude, direction and point of application where resultant acts, right? So we have to find out magnitude, direction as well as what? Point of application of resultant, though it is not asked in problem. Find resultant means what? Magnitude, direction and point of application. Inclined force, what will be inclination of this force? So this square is of what? 1 meter by 1 meter. ये 1 meter है, this 1 meter means this angle must be what? 45 degree, right? Tan of 45 is what? 1. So tan of this angle is opposite one, adjacent one, means tan of this angle is 1. The angle must be 45 degree. Or you know in square length of side same रहता है तो inclination of diagonal 45 degree. What is the method? We'll find out what? Rx, Ry, R and theta. First step, Rx equal to what? Summation of Fx assuming rightward forces positive. Now in rightward direction which forces? एक तो ये 20 किलो न्यूटन है and component of 50. Component of 50 किधर आएगा ना? Rightward 50 cos of 45. Angle is with horizontal. Horizontal component cos. Vertical component sin, right? This component becomes what? 50 sin. How much? 45. तो along x axis एक 20 है and 50 cos of 45. तो plus 20 rightward means positive, plus component of 50 kilonewton rightward means what? Plus 50 cos of 45. Find out Rx, how much you are getting. ये cos 45 तो 0.707 होता है ना, तो from this one how much you will get? Rx $55.35 आएगा, चेक करो. हाँ 50 cos of, I will calculate. 50 cos 45 is how much? 35.35 plus 20, 55.35. Correct, right? Next, Ry is what? Ry equal to summation of Fy assuming vertically upward force is positive. Now in vertical direction, component of 50 upward plus, upward means plus sin 45, number 1. ये जो 100 है vertically upward plus 100, this 20 downward minus 20, 50 downward minus 50, 100 minus 70 हो गए 30 and this is 35.35 था ना, इस 5.35 आता है क्या, चेक करो. This one 100 से 70 गया मीन्स 30 plus 35.35, 65.35 Newton and answer positive means what? Vertically upward. Means resultant is in which quadrant? Ry upward, Rx rightward, means resultant is in first quadrant. R angle is what? Theta. magnitude of R, how will find out? All you know, applying Pythagoras theorem, R what will get? Rx square plus Ry square. Magnitude of Rx will substitute here. Rx is what? 55.35 square plus Ry is what? 65.35. How much R you are getting? Calculate. Root of Rx square plus Ry square. 85.64 आता है क्या? 85.64. 85.64. Is this Newton? Kilonewton means this one is what in kilonewton. Sorry, I made mistake. This one answer is in kilonewton. This one must be in kilonewton. Okay. How will get angle theta? Tan of this angle is what? Opposite upon adjacent. Opposite क्या है? Ry. Adjacent क्या है? Rx. Means theta is what? Tan inverse of Ry upon Rx. Tan inverse of Ry है 65.35. Rx is 55.35. Means angle 100% greater than 45 degree because numerator is greater, right? Angle is 49.74. check करो 49.74 degrees. Up to this one, what you have done? Magnitude and direction of resultant you are getting. By point of application, if you want to find out a x and y axis is given, say this one is point of intersection. Convenient point here is a point O to find out moment. To find out point of application, what will do? Varignon's theorem will apply. In Varignon's theorem, first part is what? Sum of moments of all forces about any convenient point. I will take moment about point O. So sum of moments about point O equal to taking anti-clockwise moments positive. 50 kilonewton जो है line of action passes through point O. Moment of force becomes what? 0. Moment of this 20 clockwise minus 20 into what distance? So from this one, force horizontally, distance vertical 3 meter, right? Moment of 20 होगा आपका 20 into 3 clockwise. Moment of 100. So point O is here, corner. Force is acting on right side, upward. How this pen will rotate? Anti-clockwise, means direction of movement anti-clockwise. Plus 100 into what distance? So this one is what? 1 plus 1, 2. Moment of 20 clockwise आएगा, right? Minus कैसा clockwise आएगा? This force is acting in downward direction, means out point O. If you want to take movement, force is acting at this point. If you assume apply force in downward direction, how this will rotate? Clockwise. Always imagine there is a bar joining 2 points. Which 2 point? Movement center and where force is acting, means point of application of force. Once we'll apply force, how that rod bar will rotate, represent direction of movement. So 20 का movement clockwise. What is distance? 3 meter into 3. Moment of 50 again clockwise, minus 50 into how much distance? 2. Find out sum of moments. Clockwise or anti-clockwise is very important. Answer minus आता है, minus 20 kilonewton meter. Means what? 20 kilonewton meter in clockwise direction. This is what? Sum of moments. ठीक है. Now what is required? ये Rx 55.35, Ry is what? 65.35, because I have to draw one more diagram. But last step is very important. ये तो आ गया आपका sum of moment. Now we are replacing all these forces by single equivalent force, right? So what I will do? I will erase this part. ठीक है? This one plate with initial all forces are removed, right? Resultant is single equivalent force, means effect of all the forces अगर clockwise movement है 20 kilonewton meter, moment of resultant about same point O must be 20. So I will represent what? This is your plate 4 meter by 4 meter. दिस इज माई एक्स एक्सिस, दिस वन इज व्हाट, ये क्या है, वाई एक्सिस, दिस वन इज वाई एक्सिस। ये अपना मोमेंट सेंटर था, राइट, ये पॉइंट ओ। पहले रिजल्टेंट का डायरेक्शन चेक करो, ये है फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, हेयर विल रिप्रेजेंट सच, इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं करना है, देयरफॉर दिस क्वाड्रेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, that means the diagram is important. Once you will get rx and ry first represent quadrant, so that while representing location of this resultant will not get confused. अभी आपको पता है रिजल्टेंट ऐसा ही है फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में, राइट, ऐसा रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं क्या, देयर आर टू पॉसिबिलिटी, कैसा, सेम लाइन इफ विल ड्रॉ, रिजल्टेंट ऐसा भी आ सकता है, रिजल्टेंट ऐसा भी आ सकता है, राइट, मीन्स अबव दिस वन infinite number of cases possible, below this one infinite number of cases possible. First we have to check resultant जो है its movement must be clockwise because sum of movement clockwise है। अच्छा, ये अगर resultant पकड़ा तो इसका movement about point O कैसा आएगा, if I apply force about this point O, how this will rotate, ये तो anti clockwise जाएगा, ड्यू टू दिस रिजल्टेंट मूवमेंट कैसा आएगा, क्लॉकवाइज, मीन्स दिस केस इज वैलिड, दिस इज नॉट वैलिड, रिजल्टेंट मस्ट बी ऑन लेफ्ट साइड एंड अबव, व्हाट विल डू, दिस वन आई विल इरेज, राइट, एंड नाउ दिस वन इज योर रिजल्टेंट आर, राइट, ये आपको आर है, रिजल्टेंट ऑफ दिस फोर्स, इट कट्स एक्स एक्सिस एट पॉइंट पी, इट कट्स वाई एक्सिस एट से पॉइंट क्यू। पर्टिकुलरली प्रॉब्लम में विच डिस्टेंस वगैरह नहीं पूछा, व्हाट विल डू, आई विल गिव आइडिया टू गेट एनी डिस्टेंस, हॉरिजॉन्टल, वर्टिकल एज वेल एज व्हाट, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस आल्सो। सपोज इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस, व्हिच डिस्टेंस, हॉरिजॉन्टल, व्हाट विल डू, एट पॉइंट पी आपको ये एक्स इंटरसेप्ट बोल दे, इट कट्स एक्स एक्सिस ना, तो इसको क्या बोलने का, एक्स इंटरसेप्ट, ये पॉइंट पे अगर x से निकालना है तो ये r will resolve in horizontal and vertical direction. This component you know ry, this component is what, rx, correct. What is the moment of resultant if we resolve it at p, rx का moment 0, moment of ry clockwise, ये भी clockwise है, moment of ry clockwise, ry into x ना, x मिल सकता है, देखो sum of moment about point O taking anti-clockwise movement positive equal to moment of resultant is what here, ry into x, or sum of moment equal to moment of resultant about same point taking anti-clockwise movement positive, ये आपका clockwise है मीन्स -20, here what will write, ry into x clockwise minus ry into x, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, ry सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे x मिलेगा, नंबर 1। इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट y, राइट, सो इन सम प्रॉब्लम में भी फाइंड आउट y इंटरसेक्ट, ऐसा रहेगा, तो ये आपका पॉइंट, ये आपका y डिस्टेंस एट पॉइंट q, इफ विल रिजॉल्व इट, वन कंपोनेंट विल गेट लाइक दिस rx, अदर कंपोनेंट कैसा मिलेगा, ry। नाउ हाउ विल फाइंड आउट मूवमेंट ऑफ रिजल्टेंट अबाउट दिस पॉइंट, रिजॉल्विंग इट एट q, ry का मूवमेंट 0 हो जाएगा ना, बिकॉज लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ ry पासेस थ्रू पॉइंट o, मूवमेंट ऑफ rx कैसा आएगा, क्लॉकवाइज, दिस इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू व्हाट, क्लॉकवाइज है, माइनस rx इंटू y, ry वर्टिकल रहता है तो डिस्टेंस क्या आएगा, हॉरिजॉन्टल, whenever force is vertical, distance horizontal, whenever force is horizontal, perpendicular, distance vertical, rx into y, or from O draw a line which is perpendicular, draw a line which is perpendicular to line of action, this distance is what, d. What is the moment of resultant about point O, r into d clockwise minus r into what, d, देखो माइनस कैंसिल, x is what, 20 upon ry, y is what, 20 upon rx, d is what, 20 upon r, चलो substitute your values, all three distances, Mostly in any question you have to find out only one distance. Ry is what? Ry 65.35, 65.35, right? ये डिस्टेंस मिल जाएगा. 20 upon Rx is what? 55.35. So what will get here? Y. 20 upon R you calculated na, 85.64. 85.64 will get what distance? D. Correct? 20 upon 65.35 कितना आता है ये? 0.306, 0.306 meters. Y distance is what? 20 upon 55.35, right? This one comes out to be 0.361, 0.361 meter. Perpendicular distance D how much? 20 upon 85.64. This is how much? 0.233, 2335. All distance. Always read problem carefully. One of the distance may be asked. If which distance, some horizontal, vertical is not asking problem, you are free to find out any distance. But point of application you have to find out, it is must, compulsory. Okay, clear? Chalo, bye bye. Thank you. See you again.